My car won't start, engine won't turn over. I've been driving my daddy's truck. I don't get paid enough to buy the parts to fix my car. My baby called me up, wants to return my stuff before she up and hits the road. Yeah, she says I don't stand a chance of taming her wayward glance without the parts to fix my car. She knows I can't chase her down with daddy's truck, can't leave town, and I don't have the parts to fix my car. Yeah, and my car won't start. Yeah, engine won't turn over. Scratch and claw to make a buck, but I don't make enough to buy the parts to fix my car. Yeah, my car won't start, engine won't turn over. I've been driving my daddy's truck. I don't get paid enough to buy the parts to fix my car. Thank you, Joel Allen.